Hello everyone, welcome to your YouTube channel Mathematics for Everyone. In this video we shall take more important questions relating to solutions of simultaneous linear equations. So first question, solve the following system of equations. The equations are 2 over x minus 3 over y plus 3 over z is equal to 10, 1 over x plus 1 over y plus 1 over z is equal to 10. Then 3 over x minus 1 over y plus 2 over z is equal to 13. Let 1 over x is u, 1 over y is solution. Let 1 over x is u, 1 over y is v, 1 over z is w. So we get 2u minus 3v plus 3w is equal to 10, u plus v plus w is equal to 10, then 3u minus v plus 2w is equal to 13, which can be written as, in the matrix form, 2 minus 3, 3, coefficients 1, 1, 1, then 3 minus 1, 2, into variable matrix u, v, w is equal to constant matrix 10, 10, 13, which is equal to AY is equal to B. So Y is equal to A inverse B. This is number 1, where A is equal to coefficient matrix 2 minus 3, 3, 1, 1, 1, 3 minus 1, 2. Y is variable matrix U, V, W column matrix, and B is coefficient column matrix 10, 10, 13. Now we have A is equal to 2 minus 3, 3, 1, 1, 1, 3 minus 1, 2. Then determinant A, expanding by first row, 2 into 2 plus 1 plus 3 into 2 minus 3 plus 3 into minus 1 minus 3. So this is 6 minus 3 minus 12, which is equal to minus 9. Then we find cofactors. First of all, we find cofactors of first row, C11. It is 2 plus 1, 3. C12 is equal to minus 2 minus 3. It is 1. C13 is equal to cofactor of third element. It is minus 1 minus 3. It is minus 4. C21, second row element cofactors, minus 1 into minus 6 plus 3 is equal to 3. C21, 2, 2, second element of second row, it is 4 minus 9, it's minus 5. C23, third element of second row is minus 2 plus 9. It is 7. Then cofactor of third row, first element, it is minus 3, minus 3, minus 6. Then C32 is equal to minus, it is 2 minus 3, it's 1. C33, last element, it is 2 plus 3, 5. So adjoint of A is transpose of cofactor matrix. It is 3, 1, minus 4, then 3, minus 5, 7, then minus 6, 1, 5. Transpose is equal to first row, first column, 3, 1, minus 4, 3, minus 5, 7, minus 6, 1, 5. There's a correction that there should be minus. It should be minus 7. So it is minus 7. It should be minus 7. Then A inverse is equal to 1 over determinant A into adjoint of A, therefore is equal to 1 over minus 9 into 3, 3 minus 6, then 1 minus 5, 7, 1 minus 5, 1, then minus 4, minus 7, 5. From 1, y is equal to A inverse B. We put their values. U, V, W is equal to A inverse is minus 1 over 9 into 3, 3, 6, minus 6, 1 minus 5, 1, minus 4, minus 7, 5 into constant matrix B is 10, 10, 13. So we multiply this minus 1 over 9 into first row with this column 30 plus 30 minus 78. Then second row with this 10 plus 10 minus 50 plus 13. Then third row with this minus 40 minus 70 plus 65. This is equal to minus 1 over 9 into minus 18 minus 27, then minus 45. Minus 45, this is 110 minus this. So this will give you 2, 3, 5. So this is U is 2, V is 3, W is 5. But 1 over X is U, 1 over Y is V, 1 over W is Z. Therefore, X is 1 by 2, Y is 1 by 3, Z is 1 by 5, which is the required solution. So this is answer. Exactly in the same way, you can solve second as practice question. Question 2, practice question. Practice question. You will try exactly in the same way. Solve following system of equations. So equations are 2 over x plus 3 over y plus 10 over z is equal to 4. Then 4 over x minus 6 over y plus 5 over z is equal to 1. Third equation is 6 over x plus 9 over y minus 20 over z is equal to minus 2. X, y, z are non-zeros. So as we have done in the previous question, you will do it in the same way. You will take 1 over x as, let 1 over x u, 1 over y v, 1 over z w. Then you will get 2u plus 3v plus 10w is equal to 4. 4u minus 6v plus 5w is equal to 1. 6u plus 9v minus 20w is equal to minus 2. Exactly as we have done in the previous question, you will complete it and you will check your answer. Answer is x2, y3, z5. So that's all. You will complete this question. If you find any problem, that you can ask in comments. In the next video, we shall take more very important question relating to solution of system of linear equations. So please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel Mathematics for Everyone. So thank you. See you in the next video.